Hello, today's session we are going to be doing a general massage on the leg using the Theracane. We are going to just go all around very lightly, very quickly through everything just to help you find maybe points that you didn't even realize were hurting or were a little bit of annoyance to you. So working on the leg, you can help with knee issues, with thigh issues, even lower back, and also plantar fasciitis. And there's other elements too. People have very tight calves from running and stuff like that. Right? When you are doing the massage, you should always remember, relax. Maybe you should have done a few exercises before and some stretching to be able to get in this lower position. You can also do this on the couch. I always do my good session of massage when I'm watching a movie or something, just hanging out, watching a movie and working on my issues. I have many issues in my legs because I had a surgery here on my leg and I have a piece of metal and some screws in there. So I've had nerve damage and lots of tissue damage in this leg. So I need this work as much as possible for my rehabilitation. The other thing you should always be doing is breathing. So take nice deep breaths all the time, all the way through. And let's just go ahead and get going. If you can't get into this position, that's not a problem. You can always work on the couch or whatever. All right, so I just kind of start with the foot and we go on forward a little bit to actually just do it and stretch. I mean, this is part of my routine. You've already been on the ground doing some work. If you can't get into this position, you can check some of my other videos. That's one of the main things that I'm trying to do with my chronic pain management is to help people get down on their knees, because to be in this position is really the beginning to help your lower back pains and hip pains. Okay, so we're just going along the edge of the foot to start. Remembering to breathe. Getting into your position that you feel good here. Just a couple times up. Then we can go around the ball of it. Right in the center of the foot. And then also let's go right into the heel. Right in the middle of the heel, it's a very important point for sciatica in reflexology, Chinese medicine. So it's a really good point to hold if you have sciatica. Okay. So as we say, we're just going general, feel it. If you have a lot of issues here on the side, maybe you want to go deeper in it, play with it a little bit. Some people are here, this really helps open it, and that opening really helps stretches all these muscles. So we're just going to go ahead and continue now. We'll start now, go up to the top, that we've gotten a bit relaxed here. So we're just going to do some cross fiber friction, up and down in a line motion. And just try to feel all those areas and see what's going on. If you have any issues or any nervous muscles are too tight. Getting used to using the Theracane is part of the whole process. So at first, if you feel like you're flimsing around, falling off, just keep going and doing it, and you'll get better and better and have more control of the cane. Okay, so we're going up and down, just checking, we're just palpating to see if we have any issues. And it's also just very nice for loosening all the muscles there. Now on this side, it's always really tight, and almost everybody, they can feel it. The tension fasciae lata is always tight. It's not a muscle that ever gets really loose. And there's also a lot of good points there that help the lymph. So in all, this simple massage also is super good to help move all kinds of tissues and energy out of your body and relax your muscles. So just feel what's going on. A lot of the times the feeling is more up here. I actually have the pain feeling more in these areas. So I know I need to work in there. We're not going to work on that. We're working on the leg. Other videos for the hips and the inside there. So now we're going to go on the underneath. So you can either do it like this, where the Theracane is straight, or maybe on the side here with that ball again. Just go up and down and feel if those are the muscles that are bothering you. Don't forget to breathe. Make sure you're relaxed. And just feel all that area. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and move to the knee. If you want, you need to maybe put something underneath here, a pillow, or I'm using this one now, so you don't have as much pressure, depending on who you are. If you have issues in the back or not. So now let's just go on the knee. So we're just moving around it, not pressing so hard. Actually, where I am right now, and these muscles here, it's a big issue for me the last days. This last weekend I was helping a friend and cleaning his workshop where he had a big mess on the floor, and I was always squatting, so I got a lot of issues in these muscles going on today. And so we're going to go around. There's always a lot more feelings usually around the knee, and it's because of all the attachments, all the muscles attached there. And if you go to my other videos, I will put more information or more pictures about the muscles that are there. I think the education of seeing the muscles for people really help them start to understand what is going on inside their bodies. Just doing this work is helping you bring and make a connection with your body, and that is really one of the main keys to healthier body, is just being connected to it. So daily or weekly practice of self-massage will definitely help you in your connections. Go a little bit more down on the side here. And then we go from under. Under, you have to be careful, you never do anything too long. There's some endangerment areas here on the top. It doesn't mean that you don't touch it, but you just don't get into it for a long time, because there's big veins there, arteries there, that you can cause to make some heart issues. Cool, so go around and just keep feeling, take note of the places that might be bothering you. And then check some of the other videos out for more detailed work. All right, so using the bolster again, make sure you're not having too much pressure on your knee or on this, so you can help keep yourself relaxed. And now we're going to go up and down the leg, lower leg here, and we're going to go just along the bone here. Okay? We're just going to be pushing in and wiggling a little bit. And feel, again, as I said, it's feeling what might be bothering you on this line. For runners, for many people who are working out or doing things, they're going to find that they really have some issues in there. You just have to breathe through it. And feel where that is, and maybe come back or stop the video and work on that area before we go to the next step. And it really is different on different people. Today I actually have it more here in the center. I had quite a hard workout in my Qigong yesterday. My teacher really made us stay in a static position for a long time. So I'm really feeling it there today. But with my issues with my legs, I have big muscular problems here where I have lots of pain too. So now let's just work. Try to get into the belly of these muscles. There's 3 muscles here we're working on actually. So we'll just get into the belly of all those 3. So the calf. The calf for many people is really tight. Runners. Many people who are healthy have the problem of not really stretching and doing things. They just get into their thrilling sport, whatever it is. Mostly they don't chill out afterwards. That's a thing that people need to learn how to do. Let's go ahead, since we're down here and the legs in the right position. Let's go in there on the heel. Oh, this also really feels good. There's a lot going on here because the muscles go along the foot, go right down there, the channel there. And now we go along this line of the foot. In Chinese medicine, foot reflexology, this is the back. The bottom here, which is the bum, up along the back and spine and up to the head. Here many people have issues, you might want to go deeper. So it's good to go deeper with some other tools as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and really get into the calf now. For all of you who have big tightness in those areas, who might be trying my other exercises to help get into child's pose, this might help a lot, because the reason people can't get down on their knees is because their calf, one of the reasons is because their calf is just too tight and not open enough, not free enough. So nice and loosen those up. And then we go ahead and work on the other side. Going again straight down that line on the other side of the bow, trying to get inside there. Finding places that are bothering you, and then maybe later go deeper into those places. I'll go along the side. Here it's always weird for me because I can feel the metal piece. I have for me, a lot of tissue problems there. Good. Now we can do a few more things here. The foot. Theracane with your hand like that. And just getting along that edge of the foot too. And on the heel on this side. Always around the heel is very nice to work. Good. Well, I hope you like my video, remember, you are your body solution master. I'm doing more and more videos about chronic pain management, helping you get into child's pose, which is a very important place to be able to get to start working on lower back issues. I'm available for private sessions. Call me for a free 20-minute consultation. If you'd like to comment below, please comment. Any questions also, I will be very happy to answer anything that you might like to understand better. Thanks again for watching my video, and you have a great day.